Are you feeling yourself less important, inferior, or weak than others? Please don't think so. Remember, friend, to you, the sky is the limit. When a bridge is constructed over a wide river, even the tiniest ants could cross it without any struggle. Do you know why your nearest and dearest one gives you lots of pain and suffering into your life? Your too much nearest and dearest one may be your son, your daughter, your brother or sister, or even your parents or your dearest husband or wife sometimes gives you lots of pain to you. As because your balance sheet was due in previous birth, and in this birth he or she is clearing his or her accounts with you. So, though very painful, but accept it gladly with great tolerance. When dues will be cleared, suffering will be reduced. Very good night. Do you know why Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev selected Vivekananda as his best student or follower? Once Ramakrishna asked to bring a handful of rice to all of his followers, but the condition was it must be very secretly. The next very day, each follower came with a handful of rice except Vivekananda. By questioning the reason, he told it is impossible to bring anything secretly without invigilance of anyone, as because the Almighty God is everywhere. Nothing is secret to Him. Do you know why few people suffering from extremely poverty in life? This universe is running through the policy of giving and taking. Each living and non-living things are under this rule and law. Who breaks this law faces problems and difficulties in life. Remember, the person who always tends to receive from others only without giving anything to anybody definitely faces extremely poverty in life, though you have enough now. Do you know why Hinduism facing problems in this world and reducing in number? Actually, Hindu itself is the enemy of Hinduism. Most of the Hindu men are least interested of reading Sanatan books, epics, scriptures, etc. Thus, they are less known about the richness of Hinduism, that how much this culture is scientific and how much Hinduism is environment friendly through Ayurveda. Nowadays, most of the educated Hindu men are totally illiterate about their own culture and used to say Hindu rituals are full of superstitions without knowing the actual literature. Do you know how to be decided our destiny of life? Actually, our thought, our words, our deeds decide how will be our next birth, how will be our old age, and how will be our death. So, always be positive in thoughts, words, and deeds. Do you know why our brain is above our all body parts? It indicates first you have to think over a matter, then you have to talk about it. And those who are saying first or taking action without thinking fall in great difficulties in life. Do you know why motivation is needed in life? Remember, Sri Krishna is the greatest motivational speaker in this Kali age. Arjun was truly motivated with him in Kurukshetra war against Duryodhana. So, if you listen to motivations, you can capable of getting success in life, and if you are a motivational speaker, you can even stop a person who is attempted for suicide. So, listen motivations and spread motivation. Do you know how the spiritual persons are benefited in the age of net and social media? True spiritual persons are less bothered about social media's like, comments, and following. So, envy, ego, jealousy are the words out of their dictionary. So, they are least patient of heart attack. Do you know how to popular in life? Only selfless and unconditional devotion or deeds towards any great entity could make one popular. Nowadays, Hanuman is worshipped only because of his great selfless unconditional deeds in Ramayana. Are you asking for rewards to your every good deeds? Do you know how to be God? Then listen. Sometimes don't ask rewards to your every good deeds. You will see the great reward is waiting for you and it will come back to your life which you can't expect even.